Welcome to Fab-Rite Services Heavy Equipment Division, where we extend the life of your equipment with expert repairs and maintenance. Why buy new when you can repair and rebuild? Our skilled technicians specialize in heavy equipment repairs, saving you time and money.
At Fab-Rite, we handle a large variety of heavy equipment from all major brands. Our facilities can accommodate large components like haul truck boxes and dozer blades.
Our field services extend our capabilities beyond the shop, providing on-site repairs with our fully equipped service trucks.
We rebuild everything from 44 to 72 yard shovel buckets to D10 and D11 blades, ensuring they perform like new.
Every repair undergoes rigorous quality checks to ensure the highest standards of performance and safety. In-field repairs are critical for minimizing downtime. We bring our expertise directly to your site, getting your equipment back up and running quickly.
Our commitment to excellence in heavy equipment repairs ensures that our clients can rely on their machinery for years to come.
Fab-Rite Services, your trusted partner for heavy equipment repairs. Let's build the future together.